cosmic place. Meteor showers of light show to see. Gravity pulls, but we're wild and free. Asteroids dancing with celestial grace.